Look at how beautiful this is. So I'm gonna show you how to make this at the comfort of your home and enjoy them. Hello guys, so today we are making pancakes. So we'll be using eggs, we'll be using the pancake mix, as you can see. So when I use this, I never add vanilla essence, since it's here there's wheat flour, sugar, leavening agents, and vanilla. So only thing you're supposed to add is vegetable oil or butter plus milk plus eggs. So that's what I usually add, because but if you're using like your own mix, yeah, you should add like baking powder, you should add your vanilla essence because of the eggs. If you don't like the eggy smell like me, I don't like it. And yeah, add also the other things that I listed there, like margarine, but obviously I use my oil. So the reason why I added sugar is because, well, why not? Yeah, so I think that oil is enough. That is like 2 tablespoons. It comes up very slowly. And then I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Like so. And then I'm gonna take my handy mixer. This one is a pre-charged mixer that I use to make my cappuccinos at home. So we're gonna beat this up. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt as well to, you know, reduce the sugar. Even in cakes, it's good to just add your salt. So I'm gonna add my flour at this point. So you're gonna add it to the like when you mix it, it has to be like the consistency you're looking for. Yeah. At this point, I will add room temperature milk as I go to reach a nice consistency. Also, if you have like self-raising flour, the only thing you'll add is vanilla essence. You will add milk, eggs, sugar, and salt. The only thing that you will add there that you won't add here is the vanilla essence. This one has the vanilla in it. So I have a growing son and he likes lots of pancakes. So I'm gonna add a bit. I'm gonna just put a bit. So it wasn't full, it was probably half. So if you were wondering, this one is 435 grams. It looks good, as you can see. Its consistency, but I want it a little bit lighter than this, so I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. And if you don't want to use milk, you can use water. It's okay. It's fine to do things according to your preference, but I feel like the milk adds richness to your pancakes. Now this is good consistency. Look, now you can scoop and pour it in the pan. we are done with this. It just took me like roughly 2 minutes, so this is something that you can easily do at any time. Let me switch this on. I can't explain how much you need to concentrate while turning this thing on. Like, oh, it gets to me every time. Like every time, man. So I'm gonna put here the plates. I'm gonna take a scooping spoon. This is what I'm gonna scoop with, and then we're gonna wait for the pan to get hot. So I'm gonna just spray the first time, and then that will be it. Like that. Yeah. See how beautiful it is. Oh, they will marry each other. Nope. I thought they were gonna merge. So we wait and flip. So we're gonna wait until we see that it's set up here, then we'll know it's ready to flip. So it's ready to flip. Oh, it looks good. Oops. I made a little bit of a mess. Not much. I had to flip it back because of this. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla in here. Look at that. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh, I am done. Let me show you what I do next. I do this. That's enough syrup. Then we take a fork. Also, you can omit the sugar if you're not a sweet tooth, and then you can just pour in the syrup plus the butter on top. I just like the syrup. Very soft. Please try it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.